If you want to buy the best Dash air fryer, then you're in the right place. Out of all the different Dash air fryers on the market, I've narrowed down the best options to a top 5 list of Dash air fryer reviews. Let's see which products made the cut. Links to each air fryer are in the description box below. Checking in at number 5 is the Dash 7 Oort Clearview Digital Air Fryer, which is one of the best Dash air fryers on the market today thanks to its convenient digital controls and clear viewing window. The Dash Clearview Digital Air Fryer brings big capacity and smart features to your kitchen. With its roomy 7-quart drawer, you can whip up family-sized portions or party snacks with ease. The clear viewing window lets you keep an eye on your food as it cooks, so you'll never have to guess when it's done. You'll appreciate the user-friendly digital touchscreen interface. It offers 11 handy preset cooking modes for popular foods, taking the guesswork out of air frying. Want more control? You can also set custom times and temperatures to get your recipes just right. The shake reminder function helps ensure even cooking and crispy results. This air fryer uses Tasti-Crisp technology to circulate hot air around your food, delivering crispy exteriors and tender interiors with minimal oil. You can enjoy your favorite fried treats with up to 75% less fat than traditional deep frying methods. It's a great way to make healthier versions of wings, fries, and more. The Dash fryer heats up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and can cook for up to 60 minutes at a time. Its whisper-quiet operation at under 65 decibels won't disturb your kitchen conversations. The non-stick drawer and dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze after cooking. While it may take up some counter space, this air fryer's sleek cream exterior looks stylish in most kitchens. The included recipe guide gives you plenty of ideas to get started. With its large capacity and smart features, you'll find yourself reaching for this versatile appliance for everything from quick weeknight dinners to game day snacks. Up next is the Dash Chef Series 7-in-1 Convection Toaster Oven, which earns the 4th spot on my list of Dash air fryer reviews thanks to its huge family-sized cooking capacity. The Dash Chef Series 7-in-1 Convection Toaster Oven is a game changer for your kitchen. You'll be amazed at how this single appliance can air fry, bake, broil, toast, warm, convection bake, and even rotisserie. It's like having a mini kitchen on your countertop. With its generous 23-liter capacity, you can easily cook a whole chicken, a 12-inch pizza, or toast up to 6 slices of bread at once. This makes it perfect for family meals or when you're entertaining guests. The spacious interior doesn't mean it hogs counter space, though. Its efficient design keeps the footprint manageable for most kitchens. You'll love the Tasti-Crisp technology that allows you to enjoy crispy fried foods with 75% less fat than traditional deep frying. It's a guilt-free way to indulge in your favorite treats without sacrificing flavor. The 6 heating elements and dual thermostats give you precise control over the cooking temperature, ensuring consistent results every time. The oven comes with all the accessories you need to get started right away. You'll find an air fry basket, baking pan, oven rack, drip tray, and even a rotisserie skewer. These dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your culinary creations. While the multiple functions might seem overwhelming at first, you'll quickly get the hang of it. The analog controls are straightforward to use, allowing you to adjust temperature and cooking modes with ease. Just remember to use oven mitts when handling the appliance, as the exterior can get hot during operation. Now, at number 3, we have the 2.6-quart Dash Tasti-Crisp air fryer, which I have to say is a great choice thanks to its simplicity, efficiency, and ability to create healthier versions of your favorite crispy foods. The Dash Tasti-Crisp air fryer brings convenience to your kitchen with its compact 2.6-quart capacity. You'll find it perfect for singles, couples, or small families looking to enjoy healthier fried foods without the guilt. Its aqua color adds a pop of fun to your countertop while taking up minimal space. Using Tasti-Crisp technology, this air fryer circulates hot air around your food, creating that crispy exterior you crave without the excess oil. You'll be amazed at how it can reduce added fat by up to 80% compared to traditional frying methods. From crispy vegetables to golden French fries, you can indulge in your favorite treats with less guilt. The simplicity of this air fryer is one of its standout features. With a fixed temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit, you don't need to worry about complicated settings. Just load up the nonstick basket, set the timer, and let it work its magic. The auto shutoff function ensures your food won't overcook, giving you peace of mind as you multitask in the kitchen. You'll appreciate the versatility of this little powerhouse. It's not just for frying. You can roast, bake, and reheat a variety of foods. Whether you're cooking up some chicken wings for game night or reheating last night's pizza, this air fryer has got you covered. The Cool Touch handle adds an extra layer of safety, allowing you to check on your food without worrying about burns. Cleaning up after cooking is a breeze with the Dash Tasti-Crisp. The nonstick basket is dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. You'll find yourself using this air fryer more often than you expected, thanks to its user-friendly design and easy maintenance. It's an excellent choice for busy professionals, students in dorms, or anyone looking to simplify their cooking routine while making healthier choices. Now, for the runner-up on my Dash air fryer review roundup. The Dash Tasti-Crisp digital air fryer brings convenience to your kitchen with its compact design. Its 2.6 quart capacity is perfect for singles, couples, or small families. You'll appreciate how little counter space it takes up while still delivering crispy, delicious results. AirCrisp technology is the star of the show here. It circulates hot air around your food, cooking it to perfection with minimal oil. You can enjoy your favorite fried foods with up to 80% less added fat. It's a game changer for health-conscious eaters who don't want to sacrifice taste. The digital interface sets this model apart from its dial-controlled counterparts. You get precise temperature control from 200 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and can set the timer for up to 60 minutes. The 3 preset buttons are a nice touch, allowing you to save your favorite settings for quick access. Safety features are on point with this air fryer. The auto shutoff function prevents overcooking, while the Cool Touch handle lets you check on your food without risking burns. It's a thoughtful design that adds peace of mind to your cooking experience. Cleaning up is a breeze thanks to the non-stick basket. You can pop it in the dishwasher or give it a quick hand wash. The basket's redesign also provides more surface area for cooking, ensuring your food comes out perfectly crisp every time. So, what is the best Dash air fryer that you can buy? Based on my research, the best Dash air fryer is the Dash Deluxe electric air fryer, which brings guilt-free fried food to your kitchen. Its 6 quart capacity is perfect for families or entertaining guests. You can whip up a batch of crispy chicken wings or a mountain of French fries with ease. This air fryer uses AirCrisp technology to reduce fat by up to 80% compared to traditional frying methods. You'll enjoy the same crispy texture and delicious taste without the excess oil. It's a game changer for health-conscious food lovers. Operating the Dash Deluxe is a breeze. Simply load the basket, set the temperature and timer, and let it work its magic. The auto shutoff function prevents overcooking, while the Cool Touch housing and handle ensure safe handling. Cleaning up is just as simple. The non-stick coating on the crisper tray and basket prevents food from sticking, making it easy to wipe clean after use. You'll spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your creations. The Dash Deluxe comes in a variety of colors to match your kitchen decor. Its aqua hue adds a pop of color to your countertop. While it's a bit bulky, its versatility makes it worth the space it occupies. So now that you know the 5 best Dash air fryers, it's time to pick the product that's right for you. Again, you'll find the links to the latest prices for each of these air fryers in the description box below. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this Dash air fryer reviews video in any way helpful.